You know what? I don't even want to fight. I don't know why I have to fight you. Why can't I fight Bowser or Ganon or something? Look, we've been fighting for 3 episodes straight. We need to settle our differences aside and become friends. That's fine with me. I never wanted to be enemies in the first place. What? You know what? Just shake on it. Just come over here, get your hand, and we'll shake on it. Please? Okay, fine. Shake. Give me that nice handshake. Yeah. Link and Mario are now friends. What's with the da-da-da-da? That's only when I find stuff. Like the slingshot or anything. Well, yeah. Okay. Well, was that the video? I guess so. Alright, so you owe me $5 now, right? For letting me shake his hand? Just kidding. I'm serious about that. I'm tired of fighting. Okay, good. Are you gonna give me $5 for shaking his hand? I'm kidding too. We're buddies. We're buddies. Yeah, we're buddies. Yeah, we're buddies. Okay, we might as well cut the video. I'm Tetra. Oh yeah, I'm a tomboy. And I save the world. Oh yeah. Bye-bye.